Hello everyone and welcome to JJ's Level. This is a special pair of Easter Air Force Ones that everybody's interested in these days. Just look at the quality on them. All these different materials, suede, leather, cloth, patent leather at the back right there. Pretty gorgeous sneakers if you ask me. Gonna throw these on. Let me know what you think of them in the comment section below. I did get them on Black Friday just recently. God knows when I'll upload this video, so it may not be that recently. Bottoms are pretty conventional. I'm gonna throw them on. I'll be right back. Before I throw them on, you should check this out right here. I'm not too sure what that is. Is that a broken Easter egg? Pretty cool on the tongue right there. Gorgeous quality on these. Tell me what you think in the comment section. And you can see them up close. They're quite nice. Another thing you should notice about these is they have metal lace tips, which is pretty fire if you ask me. Ultimately, you gotta bring the shot down though. But we'll have a much better understanding of how these look. Pretty fire, thank you. Goodbye. Before I go, you should see the inside of these. I've got another broken Easter egg. That's pretty fire. Let me know what you think of them in the comment section below. Peace out. Goodbye.